What is up, YouTube? So today I want to do a video showing you some amazing boots I got for £15. These are Scarpa boots, as you can see. Scarpa is an Italian brand. These are the Terra GTX. And I actually got them to sell because they're not my size. 11.5 US, the 10.5 UK size. Let's have a look at them. And Scarpa is just very high-end boots. These would normally be 145, 150, even 160 pounds brand new, and I picked them up for 15 on Facebook Marketplace. So nice brown leather. You can see they're quite dry, probably dirty, and yeah, just a really good solid looking boot. I mean, to get Gore-Tex boots for £15 is just crazy. That'd be $20 for my American friends, roughly. So these would be maybe 180, probably $190 boot. Vibram soles. Vibram is Vitali Bramani, also Italian. Obviously, very well respected when it comes to rubber soles. But absolutely excited about these, and yeah, excited that they fit me. As I said, I think I said earlier, I was gonna just sell these, but I think I might keep them if I can get them looking good. So what I'll use on these will be some saddle soap. Bickmore saddle soap. This is an American brand, I believe. Yeah, made in the USA. And then I will apply some Bickmore leather conditioner, maybe some shoe polish. We'll just see how it comes out. But I can't wait to see how these are going to turn out. So I will be back later after I've done my work. So simply what I'll do with these, with this, it's like, let's see if I can do it with one hand. I probably can't. Hold on. So I think it comes from, it's maybe like some sort of animal fat. Something. So basically I take a toothbrush, just get it wet and just scrub it all. And just wipe it off, and it doesn't quite come off like soap. You can just wipe it off with like a microfiber cloth, and then you apply this. So I will check back with you soon. Okay, welcome back. So scrub this with what do you call it? Saddle soap, and it's nice and dry now. And this is the best part. And putting on the old leather conditioner, and strangely, it reminds me of Sounds of Lambs. You know, Buffalo Bill, I believe his name is. Puts the lotion down in a bucket to his victim and says it puts the lotion on. So yeah, super creepy. But we're dealing with boots here, not people. So I mean, I just enjoy this part because it makes such a dramatic change. And I've never used it on Gore-Tex boots, but I'm really hoping that it's the same result that I've had on some of the Timberland boots and other boots that I've used. So this is simply how you do it. Just rub it in and it dries. I'm going to turn this off and finish the rest and talk to you later. Okay, so we put the lotion on the right boot. So you can see there is a good bit of difference. That was obviously pretty dried out, but not quite where I want it to be. Good bit of wear there. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some brown shoe polish on that. See what we can do, but the leather feels a lot better. Yeah, that feels quite dry, and this feels a lot more supple. So, alright, we'll get back to you later once I polished it. So now I'm just applying some medium brown shoe polish onto the leather here. And I did just Google if you're supposed to put shoe polish onto Gore-Tex. Oops. And The articles I was reading said not to, but here we are, we've done it. So, I guess, well, it said actually oil-based or fat-based, animal fat-based polishes should not be used. I actually don't know what this is, to be honest. Just a cheap one. Wax-based, there we go, boom. So, well, it's on there, so I don't see how wax would actually be bad, because it's going to be, I would imagine, have an additional protective, waterproof element to it. So, but anyways, we're just applying that. I don't know why I keep saying me. And we'll do sort of a side-by-side just shortly. Okay, now I'm going to do the final step, and that's adding Nikwax. I don't know if they have Nikwax in the States. I'm in England at the moment, but I got this particular Nikwax in Scotland, and I'm not sure if I should have put the shoe polish on or not, but I did anyway. So I'm just going to put the wax on top of that. The Nikwax, and I got this. This is I guess a branded. They put their own brand. This shop, Summits. That's in Paisley. That's where I used to live. Lived there a few times in Scotland, and that shop is actually still there. So I wish you could smell this stuff. It smells so good, but that's what it looks like. So it looks like it's kind of rusted or something. I don't know on the edge there, but so basically you just put it in. It's really soft, and the heat of your finger actually melts it, and then you just rub it on like so. And then they say that, if you're going to go hiking, like whatever, the following day, or walking, you want to use them, that you want to leave it to sort of dry overnight. I mean, it does dry pretty fast. So we'll apply that, and then we'll be ready to show you a little side-by-side, which is my favorite part, right? Before and after. All right, trying to hold this in one hand. I'll talk to you later. Okay, here it is, the moment of truth, before and after. My favorite part. Oh, look at that, guys. That's amazing, isn't it? Wow. Some tone there that is, maybe not quite uniform, but I'm really happy with that. It didn't take long, probably less than an hour total. Yeah, probably definitely less than an hour. Maybe 45 minutes, something like that. But just so satisfying. And again, you can just do this again and again, and keep restoring that. And I just think it's so nice to be able to sort of cut off there. But I was saying, it's really nice to be able to take a boot that looks, rough, dried out, worn, and just bring it a new lease of life. Amazing thing about Vibram soles, or Vibram, however you want to say it, is they just last forever. And if you really love the boots, you could always pay to get them replaced. So there it is, people. Some Scarpa Boots Terra GTX, I believe was the name, if I remember correctly. Sorry, this floor is creaking. I am not farting, promise you. So I'm looking forward to trying these out on a little hike. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.